Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin showed pretty good textbook price action since that top yesterday. I only want to share with you the intraday update wave count, and then tomorrow we talk about the daily chart again. But yeah, this just here, the short-term chart, and the price reacted today to the support zone. In the last video that I made, we were down here around 85,520. The price had just reacted around the 38.2 retracement, which is typically an ideal target for such a wave 4 pullback. Quick reminder: the idea was that yesterday's swing high here was the yesterday's swing high was the top of an internal third wave within wave within wave C of a larger third wave, and then we were watching for a fourth wave pullback, ideally a 3-wave pullback into support. That did hold, and we've already reacted to support. Yeah, for those who follow us on X, I shared like 5 hours ago this setup again, and the price had just reacted to it and also to the trend line, and we were starting to move up towards new all-time highs. We haven't made a new all-time high yet, I think. We haven't broken out yet, but that's where I stepped in earlier today and shared on Discord when we reached the top here that this could simply be a B wave, or at least that if it's a B wave, be ready for it. Then the bears should step in here and drive the price down. So nothing changes, we're just ranging a bit. Pretty much we expected a pullback into support. The price reacted to the ideal target for a fourth wave. We rallied in what I believe is only a 3-wave move. And we formed, I don't think we formed a new high, maybe on some exchanges. But then again, this was where a B wave could top. And now we don't know if it's a B wave or not, but the risk up there was much higher than obviously in the support area for anybody trading this short term. And what I would like to see now to confirm further that a C wave is unfolding in wave 4. So again, it looks a little bit as if we are forming a wider flat correction, or maybe even a triangle, but that requires more evidence. But if we're forming a wider flat correction, which means we might get a C wave down, which could end close to the end of the A wave actually, doesn't need to break below it. Well, then again, we should also hold above 85,210, or at least not break and sustain below it. And I would like to see a break below that trend line. I mean, a break below this trend line could be an indication that we started, or that we're actually working on that C wave. Looks a bit like that, okay, looks a bit like that. And as I said, because the B wave pretty much finished around the previous highs, and the C wave often has a similar length to the A wave, then if we want to calculate a target for that C wave, we take the length of the A wave, go to the top of the B wave. But that's what I mean, it might finish around the area of the previous A wave low, because the 100% extension is located at 85,550, which is an ideal target here for that C wave down. Yeah, and overall I think the idea that this is a wider flat, I think it looks quite good. I cannot rule out that the 5th wave has already started, but it would need to turn to the upside quite soon then, right? So it means there might be another opportunity if the price dips back into support, and then these are the levels still to watch for upside trend continuation. We already had a nice reaction. Let's see if the price can hold support again then, if we dip into that area. And then, yeah, ideally we don't even see a break below the 50% retracement, which is located at 83,880, because that would be quite deep then. And at that point, it will become more likely that a more bearish, short-term bearish scenario is playing out. But we still have this trend line that could offer some support. And I added a buffer zone to the support area as well, because it really has to be a sustained break below the 83,881 level. And because we are in a C wave to the upside here, that can be an ending diagonal. I mean, microstructures are a little bit unclear sometimes when we're looking at them really in, on this wave degree. And therefore I cannot rule out that this move up that started on Saturday the 9th after this B wave low, that is an ending diagonal. And if it's an ending diagonal, then we might allow for a dip to the golden ratio level, 85,570. But really, as I put here, wave 4 ideally holds the 50% fib level, yeah? But yeah, it seems to follow the labeling, all right? And that's how I see it at the moment. So don't be surprised if we hit the support area again. It would be all, it's just a range essentially at the moment. So that means for upside trend continuation, we wanted to hold the upper support area. Okay, for the signal that the larger wave 4 has already started, we need a break below the upper support area, and then we can focus on this one between 73,570 and 79,320. I think this would be much better for an entry, much better price. This here is more like for anybody who's trading really, really short term. And that's it. So yeah, that's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content, and make sure that you follow us here. Just make sure when you follow us on Twitter or X, make sure that you only follow the correct account, yeah, with the blue check mark. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.